Jai Srimanarayana. 24th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Om Tasmat Om Iti Udahritya Yajnadana Tapah Kriyaha Pravartante Vidhanoktaha Satatam Brahmavadinam. Om. Begin your daily puja, your daily recitation of slokas with the chanting of divine syllable Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall begin my daily puja and my daily recitation of slokas with the chanting of divine syllable Om. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 356th day. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Gopalakas, they went to Brahmanas, those who were doing yajnam, and they conveyed the message, the request, Bhagavat yachnam shrunvantopi na susruvuhu. They conveyed the request of Sri Krishna Paramatma to Brahmanas. But Brahmanas, though they have heard, they pretended that they did not hear that. And Brahmanas, they are feeling that whatever the yajnam they are doing, that itself is such a great thing. They are unable to realize the one Sri Krishna Paramatma who is seeking food from them is Sakshat Sriman Narayana. Whatever the Shraddha that they have upon their activity, they don't have much of that Shraddha on Paramatma. And the place, time, mantram, Agni, all the things that are offered into Agni, Ritviks, everything. Sri Krishna Paramatma is existing as an indweller in every of those things. But Brahmanas are unable to realize that truth. Tam Brahma Paramam Sakshat Bhagavantam Adhokshajam Manushya Drishtya Dushprajnaha Martyatmanaha Namenire. Sarvantaryami Parabrahma, the one who is beyond perception of our senses, such Paramapurusha is Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma. But Brahmanas are unable to realize that truth. Brahmanas thinking that Sri Krishna is just an ordinary man. That is why they did not pay attention to the request of Krishna Paramatma. They did not show enough respect to the request of Krishna Paramatma. Then nate yedomiti prochuhu na neti cha parantapa. They neither said, yes, we will give the food, nor they said no. They just kept quiet. Sarvesvarun matinu himpaka gopabaludanuchun mandasthitim chuchi durmatulai. Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma. Brahmanas are unable to realize the truth. Brahmanas thinking that Krishna is a simple, ordinary, the boy belonged to this Gopa Vamsam Vrajam. That is why Brahmanas kept quiet. They did not respond to the request of Krishna Paramatma. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 24th sloka. Tasmat Om iti udakhrutya yajnadana tapakriyaha pravartante vidhanoktaha satatam brahmavadinam. Tasmat Om iti udakhrutya yajnadana tapakriyaha pravartante vidhanoktaha satatam brahmavadinam. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.